Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use ESPN Fantasy Football. So if you're new to fantasy football and want to understand how the app works, this step-by-step guide will help you get started. First, download the ESPN Fantasy Sports app or open the ESPN Fantasy website. Next, sign in with your ESPN account or create a new account if you don't already have one. Then after logging in, join a fantasy league or create your own league with friends. And once you enter your league, you'll see your fantasy dashboard. This is where you can check your team, weekly matchup, player scores, league rankings, and other important updates. Next, go to the roster section. Here you can manage your players, change starters, and add free agents. Before each game week begins, check your lineup carefully and make sure your best performing players are starting and replace players who are injured, suspended, or facing difficult matchups. You can also visit the player section to search for available players and improve your team throughout the session. The matchup section shows how your team is performing against your opponent. And you can track points, player performances, and see what areas you need to improve. So that was how to use ESPN Fantasy Football. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.